Hello, students. Today we are going to study an important topic in English grammar, gender. This topic is very important for exams and also helps in correct sentence formation. Gender is a basic concept that you will use in almost every sentence. So understanding it clearly will improve both your grammar and writing skills. In grammar, gender means classification of nouns and pronouns. It tells us whether a noun is male, female, both, or neither. In English, gender is based on natural gender, not grammatical rules like Hindi. There are 4 types of gender in English: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Let us understand each one clearly. Masculine gender refers to male persons or animals. Examples include man, boy, king, father, lion, tiger. The pronouns used are he, him, and his. Feminine gender refers to female persons or animals. Examples include woman, girl, queen, mother, lioness, cow. The pronouns used are she, her, and hers. Common gender refers to nouns that can be male or female. Examples are teacher, student, doctor, friend. Modern English uses they and their for such nouns. These words do not specify gender unless extra information is given. This concept is very important for pronoun-based questions. Neuter gender refers to things that are neither male nor female. Examples include book, table, car, happiness, freedom. We use the pronoun it for these nouns. Neuter gender includes both physical objects and abstract ideas. Always remember, we never use he or she for such nouns. First method is using completely different words. Examples include man and woman, king and queen, father and mother. These pairs have no similar root. Second method is adding suffixes like s. Examples are actor to actress, lion to lioness, tiger to tigress. This is the most common method. Third method is adding words like male, female, he or she. Examples include male nurse, female teacher, she wolf, he goat. Modern English prefers gender-neutral words. Instead of policeman, we use police officer. Instead of chairman, we use chairperson. In literature, objects are sometimes given gender. Sun, time, and war are treated as masculine. Moon, earth, and nature are treated as feminine. This concept is mostly used in poems and literary passages. It adds emotion and human qualities to non-living things. Pronouns must match the gender of the noun. For common gender, use their. For neuter, use its, not its. Incorrect pronoun usage is a very common exam mistake. Always check whether the noun is common or neuter before choosing pronoun. Quick trick: check the pronoun. Also avoid mistakes like using its instead of its. Do not assume gender for words like teacher or doctor. Remember, they is widely accepted for common gender nouns. Avoid guessing gender without clear information in the sentence. So students, today we learned all 4 types of gender, methods of forming feminine, and important rules. Practice regularly to master this topic. Jai Hind.